Okay, another amazing bonus is the login with Facebook opt-in form. This is really a jump that can really win your competition. So you click over login with Facebook button and in the bonus area, and you are redirecting to a page where you have basically the opportunity to set up an opt-in form, as well as you were doing before when we were using to create when we're using an opt-in form creator to create our opt-in. Okay, so basically the difference is that here we don't have the name, first name and email text box area, so we don't have text boxes. We have only one button. What happens if the people, they see your message here and then they click on login with Facebook? Automatically, the system will retrieve the first name and email address of the person and will input this data into your form that will be processed and sent to your autoresponder. So I will show you that very easily now. So basically you can format this opt-in form as well as you were doing before with other opt-in forms, but here you have to format also the login with Facebook button, or you use the default that we give to you. You can change the caption and also some properties here, okay, coordinates and distances and fonts, okay, or you can use from the catalog. We create some buttons here for you, login with Facebook, or I don't know, there are several buttons that we have in our catalog. You can use them, or you can use an existing image if you want. You input here an image. You can select from another website. For example, you go to Google and you Facebook buttons. Okay, of course you should have your own button, but here we just give you a small example for you, just that you can have an idea that you can do that with an external button. Okay, just select, for example, this button here. Okay, click over that. That's a big button, but okay, we select that and we go to our tool and we input that button, and the image will be loaded but will be resized automatically. Okay, also you can see also the image will be, you can resize the image as well, or you can use, at the end you can use also a Facebook default, their buttons. Basically you use you need to change the caption. Okay, then you can format the rest as you want. And you can click on step 2, you can format the title, say free instant access. Okay, then of course you can also here change the format of your, okay, you can give a Verdana if you want and give some shadow. Okay, we can go back and give some radius to the opt-in, give this color, reduce the height. Okay, bottom is, and we can go to the body and say grab our free report today if you have an account at Facebook. Okay, then we can change the size, we can increase the size if you want, and blur that. Okay, there we go. We need to give the application ID. This is very important. You need an application ID and application secret here. These are available if you have a Facebook account. You need to create an application, okay, and you will have access to the application ID and application secret keys that they give you when you create an application, because very important, you need to create an application to run this script in your website, because in our website you can run it, but we have our application. But for every website where you run this application, basically you need to define an application in facebook.com. I will show you that in another video. It's very simple if you have a Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook account, I will show you also how to create a Facebook account, and then you can create very easily an application. Very stupid, I will show you, and then you need to do that the same. Then second, you have to know that you need some additional information. The first one is that you need to redirect your user when they grab the report, before they're grabbing the report, to a page when Facebook, this page will be interfaced with the Facebook, and this will be done in the fb.php file. You can also change the name of this file for you if you have the same name for other files, but I will suggest you that you keep this name. Okay, now I'm gonna input my application ID and application secret, and I want to keep them secret, of course, for privacy reasons, and then I will show you the result soon. Okay, now I just input my application key and the secret key, and I'm sent to the next page where I have the autoresponder, and here I can select one autoresponder where I can give a campaign name, and here I can give a redirect page, very simple, google.com, in reference I say ref1, just like that, and then I validate this page. You need to validate here the processing page first, it's valid, and then we have the step 6 button that appears once you click on validate. Okay, then you go on the last page, and what you're gonna do is you have your, as for the other example, your CSS file. You can call it Facebook styles.css, fb styles.css. Then you have your HTML template file and your PHP redirect file. That is very important that you have this file. Very important. Then what you need to do is you need to use our images. Then you need to click to download the images. If you are using the buttons, here we are using Facebook default, so we don't need, otherwise you need to download these images. Here, click in here and then upload them into the images folder that is within the path where you're going to save all these files, the CSS file, the HTML file, and the PHP file. So you can see here you have also the PHP file. Moreover, you need to download the Facebook package. This is very important, otherwise you cannot run this script. So you click here, you download the Facebook package, and then you save, you unzip the file because it's a zip file. You unzip the file, you take every single file inside and upload them to the folder where you save the CSS, HTML, and PHP file. So you're gonna do that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is here I click here first of all, and I save the fb_images.rar file. Okay, I download it, and also the Facebook package. Okay, I click on the Facebook package here, and fb.rar, okay, fb or zip file, fb the file .rar, and okay, basically you are done. But in the next video I will show you the results of that. Okay, then see you in the next video.